Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your username in Discord. To get started, open Discord app on your mobile and log into your account if you are already not logged in into it. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now on the Discord app, click on the gear icon located near your profile picture on the bottom left. In the user setting menu, click on the top My Account tab on the left sidebar. Under the user information, you will see your current username. Click on it and remove the previous username you had. Now add the name you want to add and click on next button or save button and you are all set to go. That is how easily you can change your username on Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.